In a few minutes, I am going to show you how to create audiobook, presentation slides, and infographics without having to spend all the day just to design an infographic. AI will do this for you in few seconds and you'll have your results. I don't want to waste your time, so let's go there. The very first thing I will do is to open Google. From Google, I will have to type NotebookLM. I have it here. This is an AI powerhouse from Google. This is specifically for education. So if I click here now, it is going to open NotebookLM for me. Once you get into this place, you see it is telling us that with NotebookLM, I will put the link in the description, we will be able to understand anything. Okay? Here, we are going to use information from a particular PDF. Just watch closely, do not skip, don't go away, and you will understand how easy it is to learn in digital age, especially AI-powered learning. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to click on this button that says Try NotebookLM. Once we do that, it will take us to NotebookLM learning interface. So, while we are here, we are going to create new. So I will click on this button, create new. From here, what do I want to do? Will I want to search something on the web? But for us, what I want to do is to upload a file. Remember, you can also insert a link, maybe a YouTube link or a website link. You can as well link your Google Drive or caption a text. So we are going to start with this, upload a file. So I will click here and locate the file that I would like to use for this study. My file is located here. So I will choose this one and click open. Immediately, you will see your file here being uploaded. So while in this NotebookLM, you will notice that we'll have three sections. Here is source, where you can add different sources. We have explained that you can upload a PDF file, insert a web link, whether it is a YouTube or whatever. Just go ahead and try it. Now that we have added this source, we can add more sources from here. Okay? So let us add additional sources. For example, our topic here, the PDF we just added here is about online learning. If I go to YouTube, for instance, and search for online learning, okay, I just want to do this so that you see how easy it is. And press enter. So I am going to select any video on online learning. So maybe this one, I will just copy the link, share. From here, I will copy the link. So I will close this as I do not need it again. Then come back to here and where we'll have add source. I'll click on this add source. At this time, I will choose website. Remember, we have uploaded file before. So I'll choose website. Then I will have to paste the website link using Ctrl V from my keyboard. Then click insert. We wait for it to load here. So you can go on and add more sources. I hope you understand. Now, after these sources, we'll have charts. From these charts, you can see that the system NotebookLM is already showing us a summary of what we'll have in these two sources here. So you can go on and chart. Maybe you ask question, tell it anything. It will give you information based on your sources. Coming to this right side, we'll have audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographics, and slide deck. Remember our goal. Our aim in this tutorial is to be able to create audiobook, slide presentation, and infographics. So without wasting time, we'll go straight to audio overview. But we will not just click right away. So we need to click on this edit button, this pencil button, so that we will choose what we want. Whether you would like it to be deep dive, brief, critique, debate, or however you want it, the format you want. So let's choose brief. Then we can also come here and change the language. We have so many languages here. Let's leave it at English. Then we click on generate button. Okay. Now, once you click on generate button, NotebookLM will go on to work. It will start to generate this audio overview for us. So I am going to pause this video and return back when the generation is completed. Boom, we have our brief here. Look at it. Emergency, e-learning, and you understand. So it's gathered this from two sources. You can see it here. So let us play it.
This is the brief on online learning in a crisis. You know, when a major crisis hits, whether it's the pandemic or a natural disaster, schools and universities had to basically scramble. They were forced to drop traditional classrooms and go fully remote.
How cool is that? So you do not have to sit down and read. You can generate actually an audiobook or audio podcast. Then you listen to it while driving, while cooking, and less of that. So, but calm down. You don't need to skip the video because you have seen these options. Just watch me as I do them so that I have something more to tell you as I progress. Now, the next thing we are going to do is slide deck. So this is a new ad, because if you have been using NotebookLM, you will notice that these two are new ads. So they were added newly. You can see it. It is written there as beta. Okay. So if you want to create a slide presentation or slide deck, as case may be, what you need to do is to also click on this pencil so that you will decide what you want. Here, I will need to choose the format, whether it will be detailed deck or presenter slides. Okay, so detail, you see all the detail, but for presenter, it's just the key points. So you can also choose another language, then whether it will be default or short, however you want it. Let me use default. You can as well give it a kind of description. Okay, so for me now, I can say this is for beginner teachers who wants to understand online teaching. So I will go on and click on this generate button, then wait for it to generate. You can see it here that is doing the work right away. Boom, we have our slide deck. You can click here in order to view it from this computer. So this is our slide. You can see it here. So if you want to view it in full form, you can download it here. Listen, we have two downsides to this slide deck generated for us by NotebookLM. I will tell you what to do in order to overcome the number two. Now, the first one is that you will not be able to edit anything here. Maybe you don't like a particular text or you don't like this color. You can't do anything, okay? Number two is that you can only download it as PDF. Okay, let's go ahead and download it, and I will tell you what to do if you don't want it in PDF. Maybe you want to edit it in PowerPoint. So if I click on this download button now, it is going to download and we'll be able to view it. Here is it. Instead of opening it, let me just open it from this browser. I'll click here, and here is our PDF file, our presentation created for us by NotebookLM. So as I said before, you can't change the design, you can't change the text, but there is something you can do in order to change it. Maybe if you want to edit it in Google Slide, I made a video that shows how to convert a PDF into Google Slide. I will put the link to that video in the description box below. So let's go back to our normal class. Now, the third one, which we are going to do today, is how to generate infographics. So I'll close this, close the slide deck. So I will be using this for our infographics. Again, I will have to click on this edit button to choose the language I want, whether it is going to be landscape, portrait, or square. So it depends on what you want. Let me use a portrait design. Then you can as well change it to concise, detailed, or just standard. So that's basically what you do here. And finally, you will guide it. Say you want a different color, you want it to focus on whatever you want, just highlight like 3 key points. Okay, so let me say use high contrast color with easy to understand text and illustrations. So I will then click on generate. Again, it has started working. We'll give it some time for it to complete it. As usual, I will have to pause the video and return back when the process is complete. Boom! We have our infographic. Let us look at it. We wait for it to load. And here is it. Okay, how cool is this? Let me zoom this. So you can as well download it. So when you download the file, you will be able to use it in your classroom. Okay, here we have it. It is downloaded as an image. So let me view it direct. So this is our file. How cool is this? Let me know what you think about NotebookLM in the comment section. Do you have a better tool that can do these 3? Infographic, audiobook, and slide deck? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Now, if you would like to learn how to generate lesson plans or lesson notes as the case may be, and again generate quizzes from a PDF, I have done a fine video on this. The link is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.